I don't know about you, but I'm not a morning person and I'm not going to feel guilty about it. We're not all meant to be morning people. And one thing about me, I love my bed. The other day, I asked over on my Instagram what sort of content you guys would like to see. And so many of you said like day in the lives, vlogs. So I thought, you know what? That's what we're going to do. We're going to spend the day together. So of course, we're going to start off in my bed. This week, I got sent a brand new mattress topper. I don't know if you guys remember, but over a year ago now, Emma sent me their mattress. And oh my gosh, this is the best mattress I've ever had in my life. And let me tell you, I'm in my 30s now, so sleeping comfortable is a non-negotiable. As you get older, you really realize this, because honestly, if you sleep dodgy one night, you'll wake up with like the worst back pains or neck ache. Like, it really can mess up your whole day. It always amazes me how compact Emma get their products. Like, it's incredible. Like, look at that. So I went and stripped the bed straight away because obviously I wanted to put this on. Now, the reason Emma have sent me over the mattress topper is because they do have a big bank holiday sale. So they got like up to 30% off, but if you use my code on top of that, you'll get an additional 5%. So if you had your eye on a mattress topper, duvet, pillows, a new mattress, definitely take advantage and have a little look. As you can see, you can unzip that as well to remove the casing so you can put it in the washing machine. So a big thank you to Emma Sleep for sending me over this mattress topper, and thank you guys for watching this part of the video. Like I said, I genuinely think your mattress, your bed, what you're sleeping on is so important, because think of how many hours you spend in your bed like every single night. And because this arrived this week, I've been going to bed earlier than normal because I want to lay in bed, I want to watch YouTube videos, like I want to feel comfortable. So I'll leave all links and information to that in the down bar. This is me just showing you how my normal bed sheet actually fitted on top of the mattress topper and the mattress as well. And like I said, I've been going to bed early and I've just been enjoying watching YouTube on the projector, chilling on my phone. And I was actually going to recycle the box that the mattress topper come in, but my little fur baby loved it. And you know what, I don't know what it is with cats, they just love a box, don't they? They love jumping in and out of it. So I actually didn't end up recycling this. I've just left it for her to play around with. So now we're going to move on to a little bit of skincare. In the morning, I will normally just wet my face halo with warm water and go over the skin, and then I'll go in with the Dr. Jart Ceramidin skin toner. This has really helped improve my skin. Like, it has repaired my skin's moisture barrier because my skin was going a bit crazy. This Estee Lauder day wear cream is the absolute goat. I've been using it for years now. I cannot describe how much I love this facial cream, and I don't know why, but my eyes been feeling really dry recently, so I'm using some eye drops. Now we're going to go to a bit more of a vloggy style for the rest of the day. I saw this brand, yeah, on a few people's like stories, and they were saying how the smell is incredible for your washing. I ordered this sample set that they do. I got 10 sachets, yeah, to try out with all the smells. So this grey one was the oud one, and I've seen a lot of people say they love this one, but I thought I don't want to go and buy the big bottle in case I don't like them. Oh my god, look at them all going in. That's so good. So yeah, I paid £10 for all of these. I'll give it a go. So yeah, it's from this brand, Hello and Ash. I just never feel like I can get on top of my washing. Today I have a lot of work to do, so I haven't really got time to do as much cleaning as I would want, but hey ho. Oh my giddy gosh, that is incredible. Cute. Ready? Get it. So I literally was just in the process of getting ready. Look what's arrived. My Made by Mitchell skin tint. I'm gonna wait to do a video on it though. I was kind of umming and ahhing about getting the bulk balm, but when I wear concealers, I like my concealers to be a little bit more like full coverage and my skin tint to be a bit light. No, I'm ripping the box. I was really unsure what shade to get. Oh, that doesn't look bad at all. I was looking at so many of the photos and I was trying to work out what I was, because some of them, which were a little bit lighter, looked more warm, more tanned. Some of them were a bit more neutral. And as I was looking at all of them, I was like, I need something that is a bit more golden neutral. So I went with a TT9. I really hope this matches me because it was a little bit more neutral, because TT8 was like really warm and a lot more tanned, whereas TT9 was just a little bit more like neutral. I hope it matches. It was between TT9, I think, or 7. I'm gonna go make a little bit of breakfast, and then I'm gonna have a Zoom meeting, and then I've got to do some editing, and I've got some forms I need to fill out, and I've got some emails I need to catch up on. I need to edit the content that I've got, otherwise I'm just gonna keep filming and it's not gonna be edited. Some people do it on their phone, some people do it on the app, but depending on what I'm filming, I will do it on my laptop. But yeah, anyways, I need to go and eat. Definitely overdone the egg a little bit, because basically when I cook my pesto eggs, I put one of these on top so it cooks it perfectly, but I got a bit distracted on my phone. They're overdone. But anyway, I got pesto eggs, sourdough, and then some baked beans. And that is me, and I'm gonna have a coffee with it. Obviously, I haven't really spoke much this morning, I'll be honest with you, and I've literally got my laptop up right now because I do need to do. Also, look at this that I got. How cool is that? It's a terrarium, and near enough every single plant that I've ever had has died. So I'm really hoping this one is like self-efficient. I've got a few emails that I need to do as well. And then I've also got to change the dimensions on some content that I have filmed for a brand. When you get jobs come through from brands, there's a brief with the sort of idea that they want, and some of these things can be like whether they want it shot in portrait, landscape, the dimensions of the content, because depending on what they want the content for, because I also create content for brands that they can use on their platforms. When a brand creates an advert, realistically they need the model, the makeup artist if they're using makeup, a hairstylist, a videographer, an editor, a studio, all of these things, and they can be really, really expensive. So I'll look at their creative idea and I'll be like, yeah, I can create something really cool with this and make this work and do blah, blah, blah. And then they can use that content on their platforms. That's what I'm doing now. So I'm having to amend the dimensions of the content. I've also got some content planning that I need to do as well. So when I plan my content, I will look at things that are trending, things that I genuinely am interested in, products that I've recently bought that I want to talk about, like the Made by Mitchell tint, and then I'll also look at the seasons. So for me, if the season's changing, my makeup routine's going to change. So I have books like this that I write down my ideas, what I'm working on. I just forgot I have to go to the bank today as well. Yeah, I don't think I'll be going to the gym today, that's for sure. Just left the bank. I managed to quickly get there and got everything sorted, so it's all fine. Now I need to go and do a food shop. Oh. All right, we've just arrived. We're gonna go Aldi today. I have no idea what I want to get here. Do you have any idea what we should get for dinners? Because I don't know. I've literally got no list at all.
Well, we never really know, do we?
Oh no. One for sorrow. Where's your friend? Oh no, wait, it's the same. This one is always one of my favourites to get from Aldi. You got a little garlic in there. This little section here is like one of my favourites, where you got all the little random stuff. Love a little dupe. Shopping is done, and that was way busier than what I was expecting it to be at this time. Like, so busy in there. Hello, so how you doing? How's it going? Just got back indoors now, and I'm back on my laptop because I still have some stuff that I need to do, and I really need to get this finished. I wish I could show you what I'm working on, but I don't think I'm actually allowed to. When it is live, I might put it on my Instagram story just so you guys can see. You can come on my lap. When I got in, I was a little bit cold, so I put on my tracksuit instead. Anyways, I am going to do some more work for a good couple of hours right now. I have some things that I need to get done, especially before the end of the day, so I can send it over to my manager. Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Sabrina. Can I get it? Oh yeah. We are making a little spag bowl, as you can see here. I've got garlic bread in the oven. Got my little salt bag from Fort Ventura. That's how you know I'm growing up. Well, I am grown up. I also got these different seasonings from there too. Did you want to go gym tomorrow?
Yeah.
Or on Sunday?
One of the days for sure.
I might see what classes are on right now actually. Why is it when there's a class I actually want to do, it's not with the instructor that I like doing that one? When I tell you, this has me in a chokehold. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that. It's just on like those little dry bits, you know? Like, why is that dry? Look at the size of that portion, please.
Make an emotional connection for a second, I'm not losing. And I said
From a bakery called Gals, and this is a honey cake. Can you see? Girl, you are not allowed this. No, leave off. I'll save you half.
Not even soak it up. Save me one bag.
I don't want it.
What?
I only want to try
Is
it.
that it? Just sitting on that?
Yeah.
That right there? Yeah, go on, chicken.
I'm gonna do some more work. Like I said, editing takes a lot of time, like a lot. And I've had different pieces of content that I wanted to edit. It's currently 8:15. I reckon I'm gonna just do some editing for another 45 minutes. And then at 9 o'clock, play a bit again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, I'm getting my hair done in 4 days.
Well, you're not getting this invite come through. I don't understand anything.
No, nothing's coming up on my screen. I'll put my camera on there as well.
Well, rocket. Oh, you're still there.
Okay, my battery is gonna die right now, which is fab, and I've also used all of these. So I've got to try and wrap this up as quick. My battery died on, oh my god, how much better is that? So I'm actually just gonna wash my makeup off now. So the cleanse that I use near enough every single night without fail is the LMS one. If you're looking for an affordable, really good cleansing balm, then the Nature Spell one, which I think is like about £9. But when we went away recently for my birthday, in the airport I bought myself another one of these, and then I'm gonna get in the shower. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me on today. My days are quite different in the sense of, like, some days it's a content day, some days it's networking and going to meetings, other days it could be editing, like today. I really needed to get so much stuff done, and do you know what the worst thing is? I only managed to do, so maybe half of it. But because I have spent so many hours on my laptop, if you guys have ever done like an office job or whatever, you will know what I mean, how you just get a little bit fatigued looking at the laptop for so many hours. It gets to a point, like when I've been on the laptop for so long, my brain is just like, bleh, I'm done. So, and that's why I went to go and play a little bit of game. Because when I play game, it's like the only time that I would say my brain switches off from other thoughts, and I just kind of, you know, focus on playing the game as such. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the gym, and I'm also going to do my nails because I'm going to the salon in a couple of days to get my hair done. And this new system by Kiss, the Salon Extend, oh, love, really love it. I'm just sad that I didn't get to fit it in doing it now. I cannot wait to go and get in that bed. I cannot wait. Thank you for watching that part of the video. I love Emma's sleep. If you couldn't tell from my horrendously dark under eyes, I am a really light sleeper. I wake up at like any slight noise. The mattress I've got is genuinely the best mattress I've ever had in my life. And I didn't think it could get any better, but the mattress shopper has gone and done that. I don't know, I just feel like now I'm older, especially now obviously I'm in my 30s, I just feel like your mattress can even be your best friend or your worst enemy, because if you sleep dodgy one night, let me tell you, I feel it the next day. Try my little hand towels if I'm myself. Thank you for joining me today. Sending you love. Bye. Oh crap, stuck on my mirror.